Alright, I'm going to show you how to fix a tire. It's got a hole in it. First thing you want to do is get a spray bottle with some dish soap in it. Just spray that all over the tire and identify your hole. You see it right there. Next thing you want to do is get a tire repair kit from Walmart. I like the ones that have 2 big handles and an actual rasp on it. If you look here, the actual part that inserts the plug is kind of big. So what I like to do is take a drill with a 1/8 inch drill bit. I'm just going to drill that right through. Leave that in the hole while I'm preparing this part. Alright, and this you just stick down in there. Just stick it through there like that. Alright. Ready to go. Like so. And what you're going to want to do is pull this out as fast as you can. And you end up with something that looks like that. And no leak. We'll go ahead and cut that flush. Stuff. Like so. And we'll go ahead and check that again in like 100 miles. Make sure it's holding. How to fix a tire.